Hi bazala bami Zitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazala bami Zitho, it's about umpumelelo. So guys, yesterday on Uthando Nethembo birthday celebration yaka Musa Msele and umpumelelo arrived at the venue. Nalo ya girl lo ya phela the second girlfriend not uTirelo. Guys, bengizibuza ukuthi I wonder why abantwana bakaMpumelelo didn't attend iparty kamkhulu wabo and why uTirelo was not there. But I thought because these reality shows, a lot of the shows back at 20, maybe uTirelo was there, just that akavelanga. Mara nje bengizibuza ukuthi why and bakaVuyekazi bengicabanga ukuthi mhlambe abacelwanga okuVuyekazi noMpumelelo because this is le season esibukela ishudwe last week mhlambe ukuthi time balwa kakhulu. I remember even Mpumelelo posted on Instagram yakhe that abhali message afake uNzulu noMhlophakazi which is abantwana bakaVuyekazi athi hayi ukuthi akafuna ukubakhulisa, hayi ukuthi akafuna ukubabona umama abo sekayobatshela iqiniso. So I thought mhlambe maybe bebalwa and them fighting bebafaka abantwana phakathi. Ngabuye ngayi-understand even though I felt as if especially uMhlophekazi bokumele abe there since uMhlophekazi noMusa Msele they bonded and uMhlophekazi yabazi abantu bakubo yabo, so it would be nice ukuthi mhlambe not kibo Vuyekazi vele bonye bamlethe umntwana uSibindi acela umntwana bese kuyenzwa ama-means ukuthi umntwana afike eMzumbe. But ke bazala bami Zitho, I didn't see izukulu zakaMusa lezi ezize ngompumelelo emhlabeni. I didn't even see isithembu sakaMpumelelo somjolo. But guys, there's a girl ke abamnotisile abantu ongene noMpumelelo and uhleli next to uMpumelelo etafuleni. Guys, that girl kuthiwa uyo girlfriend number 2 and she is also a wife. Guys, there's someone who commented on isithombe lesibesiphothi ukuthi hi guys, did you notice ukuthi uMpumelelo ungene nentombazana? Then the lady commented that hayibo usisi lo useyolotsholwa uzovela nabo nje very soon bazoya kaMsele. Uthena ke usister ka girlfriend lo wakaMpumelelo bazoya nje bazovela on Uthando Nesithembu nabo very soon bazoya kaMsele guys. So that means uMpumelelo sekayilobolile intombazane. We don't know ukuthi iVirgin as naye washo wathi uthi angathanda ukuthi into umfazi wakhe wokuqala abe intombi into then laba abanye uzobuya abalobola. And guys, yabona if I was with Ren, I'll pack my bags and go. Just imagine ukuthi uhleli nomuntu ku relationship uthana nalomuntu, we are waiting for this person ukuthi athole soulmate yakhe because that time introduced uMacele waphuma kulesithembu wathi abazali bakhe they were not happy and she decided ukuthi alahle uMpumelelo because impilo kaMpumelelo has a lot of drama and mhlawumbe unotice ukuthi you know what, it's not worth it and ubonile ukuthi even uMpumelelo akakwazi ukubavikela amanye amakhosikazi wakhe. Phela uMpumelelo failed uMacele ngoba a lot of people they were attacking uMacele, but I've never seen mina uMpumelelo akhulumela uMacele. Even uTirelo uzothi makazothola ama-comment wrong angikazi ngabona mina uMpumelelo avikela uTirelo, but I've seen uVuyekazi aku-live akhuza acela nje ukuthi you know what, ngicela neka ama-hate comments especially emntwaneni, angiyanicela nje umntwana akangeni indawo. But bazala bami Zitho, that is umgoduso kaMpumelelo Msele. I just hope this news iqiniso. But girl nimbonile ugirl ke opostile ukuthi no, this is ocommentile, this is my sister and uyingoduso kaMpumelelo. So mhlambe maybe that is the reason that made uTirelo delete all pictures of uMpumelelo on Instagram yakhe. Guys, this is very heartbreaking seeing ubaba umntanakho alobola omunye umuntu wayelukhona lapho nomntwana. And the sad part ukuthi even labantwana akabahlawulanga, labantwana akabenzelanga nje iqiniso, labantwana they are not fully abomseleko but ulobole omunye umuntu. But bazala bami Zitho, please do comment down below your thoughts and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.